Apprenticeship is a program that can take someone with little to no experience, or to take somebody that's been in, that has been maybe a machinist or in a particular occupation for 10 to 15 years, and they just want that more formal training wrapped around what they do. But also at the end, it also provides those individuals with a nationally industry recognized credential.
I think the successful apprentice is one who is extremely self-motivated. We teach you knowledge, we teach you how to do hands-on things, but more importantly, we teach them to look at problems and evaluate instead of just diving in and tearing things apart. That's not always the solution.
I think I'm definitely learning skills necessary to carry over to different jobs. I'm learning, one, not only just working on stuff, but the teamwork to work with people. I'm working on our computers and everything. And definitely, I think I'm learning how to be a better team player.
For us, it has leveled the playing field for the younger generation, for folks that are willing to come in and pursue a scholastic advancement as well as a skill advancement, and not just wait their turn. That these are budding, young, energetic, motivated people that are highly skilled.
College is great, but you don't have to go to college to be able to be successful and to get into a family wage job, and that's the beauty of apprenticeship.
Especially in our industry, I think that you really don't need a college degree as much as the knowledge you could learn by doing it and being there. And then, having the technical aptitude or knowledge that you gain from the classes they also take along with the program makes them, shoo-ins, basically. Gives them a huge step up against somebody coming in off the street.
I mean, they immediately put me to work. They had me grinding and welding and stuff and painting. And I was I never did this at any point previously in my life, so that was really intense. But they made me learn quickly, which was cool.
Again, the employers are investing in their employees by having them in the apprenticeship program. Some employers, it's not a requirement, but some employers pay for the tuition piece of that.
And it feels great to be able to, really help somebody advance their career here at Machinist Inc. And, we have folks that started on the shop floor, putting parts together, doing assembly, being able to move up into a machinist role, being able to move into a lead position. And MATCZAK has really helped them build the foundation to advance their career and get to some of those stages.
I think that MI's investment in their apprentices really fosters a sense of loyalty here in the company. By MI stepping up and saying, we will cover part of your tuition costs, we will make sure that you see different jobs and tasks while on our shop floor, we will encourage you to excel in your classwork and make that a priority. It fosters something that's really lacking in the industry, which is loyalty.
I think the fact that companies are willing to invest in them shows confidence in the employee, shows that they actually care about the employee's future with them and they want them to be with them for a long time.
The reason why I'm passionate about apprenticeship is that you're able to continue with your education, but you're also in that career pathway. And the sooner and the more opportunities that we're able to reach people with these types of trainings, apprenticeship trainings or opportunities, I think the better off, we will all be.